How to stop auto updates of apps to save data and avoid bugs. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to disable auto updates on your apps. First thing you can do is disable auto updates on Google Play Store. You can do that by going over to Play Store and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. From here, you can easily find an option to disable auto updates on your settings. Go to Network Preferences. Here you can find Auto Update Apps. Tap on it, and if you don't want the apps to auto update, you can just select Don't Auto Update Apps and you'll be good to go. You can also only allow updates over Wi-Fi only, so just tap on Update over Wi-Fi only, because what this does is when you're not connected to Wi-Fi, the apps won't auto update and your mobile data will be saved as well. From there, you can disable background data for certain apps. Go to the app section on your settings. I'll just tap on apps, and from here you can just select any specific apps. For example, I'll just do Brave for now, and then go to mobile data. You can easily disable the background data usage from here. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.